everyone, today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's just first open the Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. We can see here that we are logged in into Google account in Gmail app, and if you wanna log out from the Gmail account in Gmail application, we should log out from the Google account on our device. To do that, we should click here manage accounts of this device and tap to this account. Then click here remove account and tap to remove account again. Now just confirm your action by click here to OK, enter the password or draw the pattern if you have just unlocked methods. And now we can see that the Google account settings will stay, or just have no logged in accounts. And let's go back to the application, and now here we can see also in app that we log out also from the application from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.